Happy October. This is gonna be a quick, kind of quick video here, but So at the beginning of September, we did a startup and shutdown of the York and the Guardian. Oh, there it goes, right there. So today we're going to be doing a startup and shutdown at the American Standard, the 2012 American Standard. It just happened to turn, I didn't get permission to like turn it on or anything, it just happened to turn on. I'm using the iPod Touch. I'm going to try out some new video editor that costs like $4.99. I'm going to pay some of my iTunes money and buy it. I'm going to see how it is. Movie Maker's been giving me some trouble lately, so that's why I'm using the iPod Touch to see. Now, I don't know if we're going to do a shutdown, because again, this is going to be a quick video. Got quite a bit to do tonight. York's running right now. That beat up thing. I think mine is in slightly better shape than theirs. I mean, look at theirs. Just take a second, compare it. So which one looks nicer? This one or this one? Again, the York does the upstairs of the house. But I might as well delete my my other channel because I don't really make videos. Yeah, I don't make videos on it anymore. But like for some reason it doesn't let me upload videos to this channel on the iPod Touch, so I'm probably gonna have to load this to the computer, then upload it. But I think it's actually pretty quiet. American Standard base model. I don't think. Can I zoom in? I can, but I'm just trying to figure out how to. I've done it before. I know if you guys, I don't think that video's on YouTube. I think I just decided not to upload it. Ah, come on. Yeah, I don't know. Go look at some other units. Anthill right there. Let's go look at some other. Okay, there's no cars coming. This video's getting long. Oh crap, their garage door's open. There's those Yorks. There's some Guardians. Right here. These two Guardians are actually 13 seer from 2011 or 2012. Second floor is a 2.5 ton. First floor is 4 ton. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not gonna go over to the Kenmore, but come on, it's freaking wind. Yeah, I'm not going to go over to the Kenmore because, like I said, this video is getting long and I have stuff I have to do. Anyways, over and out. something is going different with the 2012 American Standard. It sounds different. Can't you tell? It's not usually that loud. I can hear it all the way in my living room. First I thought it was defrosting, but I knew it wasn't a heat pump. And then, I don't know, I mean, this thing doesn't have a two-stage compressor like them Train XLs do, so it can't be like on a higher power stage or anything. I might have to let my neighbor know about that. And listen, feel the ground. I don't know if he... Whoa. It didn't make its normal shut-off noise either. Huh. That is weird. That is weird.